Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to search for sub to properties lead in PropStream. So to get started with a quick and a straightforward guide on how to do that, so the first thing to do is to log into your account. So go to propstream.com and sign into your account. From there you have to choose a market area. So use the search bar at the top to enter a city, country, or a zip code where you can where you want to find a lead. Then after that, apply a pre foreclosure or a foreclosure filters. So click on filters in the top left, and under the ownership info, set the ownership length at least 2 to 5 years. Then go to the MLS status and choose the off market. Then scroll down to properties characteristics and select residential and a specific type, which is a single family. Then scroll down to the mortgage info and select the number of mortgage. So we can also add a loan to value, which is the LTV, which is 60% to 90% to the target properties, which is with enough equities but still have a mortgage. Then after that, apply the filter, which is very important. Then after that, click the checkbox to select properties. Then click add to list or export if you want to plan, allow it. So if you want plan, allow it, and that's it.